10-year note yields moved lower early in the session, trading down to 4.44 before reversing and rallying higher, getting back north of 4.5%. Still slightly lower on the day, but well off session lows. Now, this is the fourth consecutive weekly rise in yields, so we are seeing a bit of a trend here, and the settle north of 4.5% is the first time on a weekly basis since going back to January. But again, seeing yields close slightly lower on the day, but higher on the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com, and you'll see volatility's kind of been bouncing around. We have seen some down days despite the fact that yields are moving higher. And today, that we saw yields moving slightly lower on the day, we did see volatility higher ahead of the 3-day weekend. Lastly, let's talk about what we have next week. Next week, we get more data and auctions, including the PCE data, as well as the May FOMC minutes. So we'll get to see what the Fed were talking about, kind of looking under the hood of what maybe some of the conversations were like during May FOMC. Then we'll get a number of auctions. We get a 2-year note auction, a 2-year note floating rate note auction. We get a 5- and 7-year auction. So we get a lot of issuance as well as plenty of Fed speakers sprinkled in throughout the week.